Want to speak real Korean from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at KoreanClass101.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Jae-hui. Welcome back to Korean Top Words. In this video, we'll be talking about 10 ways to say hello. Let's begin. 좋은 아침이에요. Good morning. 좋은 아침이에요. Good morning. 좋은 means good and 아침 means morning. I don't think Korean people in the past used that kind of phrase because it's really a literal translation of good morning, but these days people use it quite often, especially in the morning. I think some people say 안녕하세요 to mean hello, or some people might say 좋은 아침이에요, good morning. 안녕하세요, hello. 안녕하세요, hello. This is the most common phrase to say hello. 안녕 means something like being in peace, so it literally means something like are you in peace? If you have to remember just one thing among 10 expressions that were introduced in this video, this is the one that you have to remember. 안녕하세요, hello. You can also say something else after saying 안녕하세요. For example, if it is in the morning, you can say 안녕하세요, 좋은 아침이에요. Hello, good morning. Hello, it's a good morning. 오랜만이에요. Long time no see. 오랜만이에요. Long time no see. 오랜만 means something like for a while. It literally means something like it's been a while. 어떻게 지내요? How are you? 어떻게 지내요? How are you? Unlike English expression, how are you? It's not a good idea to say to someone you see every day because it literally means something like how you've lived, like how you have spent your days. So just use that when you haven't seen someone for a while, like at least for a week. 잘 돼가요? How is it going? 잘 돼가요? How is it going? If you know that your friend or someone else has been doing something for a while, you can say that 잘 돼가요. Like for example, if your friend has a big project and you know that person is keep doing it, you can say that 잘 돼가요. How is it going? 잘 지내? What's up? 잘 지내? What's up? So this can be used only between friends, but only when you haven't seen your friend for a while. So if you haven't seen your friend for a week, but you just saw your friend in a campus, you can say that 잘 지내? What's up? Or if you just, see someone every day, you can just say 안녕, which means hello. That covers all different types of the English expressions to say hello. 안녕하세요. Good afternoon. 안녕하세요. Good afternoon. For good morning, we have the expression 좋은 아침이에요, which means the same, but for good afternoon, we haven't made the expression yet. So you just have to say 안녕하세요 if it is in the afternoon. Or the other common expression is 밥 먹었어요. Like it literally means did you eat a rice? But it's got very common expression that people exchange in the afternoon, especially after the lunch hour. It doesn't mean like I really want to know if you eat something or not. It's just like, hello. So if someone asks you 밥 먹었어요? Then you can just say 네 먹었어요 and then talk about something else, which means yes, I ate, and then you can talk about something else. 안녕하세요. Good evening. 안녕하세요. Good evening. We have a same expression for good evening because there is no expression yet, only for the evening. Some people might say 좋은 저녁이에요, but it does not sound good, natural in Korean. Instead, if it is in the evening, people might say 먼저 가겠습니다. I'll leave first if, it's at the office, or 내일 봐, see you tomorrow, if it's between friends. So, pick the right expression depending on the situation. 반가워요. It's nice to meet you. 반가워요. It's nice to meet you. If you see someone for the very first time, you can say that 반가워요. For formal situation, you can say 반갑습니다. 요즘 별일 없죠? How is everything? 요즘 별일 없지? How is everything? So 별일 here means something special. So it really means you don't have anything special, right? So to answer this question, you can say 별일 없어, which means that there's nothing special. Okay, we just checked out 10 ways to say hello in Korean. Which expression do you like the most? Let us know in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. 다음 시간에 뵙겠습니다. 안녕히 계세요.